Next point is adding 10, 100 and 1000 in number line. In exercise 3, ask question, complete the number line by adding 10, by adding 100 and by adding 1000. So here I will show you how to add 10, 100 and 1000 in number line and how to complete the number line by adding 10, by adding 100 and by adding thousands. So from that, first we will learn adding 10. Listen again. What question they ask? Complete the number line by adding tens. So through example I will show you how to complete the line by adding 10. So look here, first number. Here first number is 6321. First you have to draw a number line. In number line, first number already they had given 6321. Now we have to add here 10. Each number we have to add 10. So look here, 6321 plus 10. After adding 10 in given number, we got here sum 6331. So I write here 6331 at second place. Then next, again in 6331 add 10. By adding 10 in 6331, we got some 6341. So I wrote this 6341 at third place. Again next, again we have to add 10 in 6341. So I added here 6341 plus 10. We got some here 6351. By adding 10 in 6341, we got some 6351. So our next point in number line 6351. Again add 10 in 6351. We got some here 6361. So wrote it. And last add 6361 10. We got some 6371. So in this way we have completed number line by adding 10. In exercise this they ask complete the number line, only first number given and remaining you have to complete by adding 10. So in this way you have to add and complete the line. But after that adding one thing, one rule, it is we came to know that. If each example, if you see after adding 10, here 6321 by adding 10 we got 6331. If you see one's place, if you see it is same. Everyone's one's place is same. Tens place if you observe, then 3 in first 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look here. First tens place 2, second number tens place 3, third number tens place 4, fourth number tens place 5, fifth number tens place 6, and next is tens place 7. Means you observe tens place, it is every time increased by 1. It is every time increases by 1. And 100 and 1000 as this. Means from this observation, one thing is came to know that when 10 is added to a number, the value of the digit at tens place increases by 1. When 10 is added to a number, the value of digit at the tens place, the value of the digit at the tens place increases by 1. Understood now? When we add 10 to a number, every time the value of digit at tens place example, we came to know that, and this is our note that after adding 10 to the number, digit at 10's place increases by 1. Okay. Next, adding 100. Now here also exercise 3, they ask question, complete the line by adding 100. One example I have shown you. Look here, first number given 4082. Now we have to add 100. In each number we have to add 100. So I add here 4082 plus 100, sum 4182. Again in this 4182, add 100, we got sum 4282. 4282, add 100, we got 4382. Again 4382, add 100, we got sum 4482. 4482, we add 100, we got sum 4582. 4582, add 100, we got 4682. In this way, we every number add 100, we got number, in that next number we add 100 and we complete this number line. So after adding 100, we got this sum. In that we add 100, we got this sum. After adding 100, we got next number. Again after adding 100, next number. After adding 100, we got next number. After adding 100, we got next number. After adding 100, we got next number. And at last, we completed that number line by adding 100. So here also if you observe, look here, ones place everywhere. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Is it changed? No. Ones place? Not. Now we will check tens. Digit at tens place. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Digit at tens place. Is it changes? No. Now we will check digit at 100 place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means after your observation, which thing? You can write here after your conclusion. What is your conclusion? After adding 100, when 100 is added to a number, the value of digit at 100 place increases by 1. When 100 is added to a number, the digit at 100 place increases by 1. That is our conclusion after adding 100. In this way, by using that conclusion, we can complete the line by adding 100. Understood? Next, adding 1000. So next question is complete the number line by adding 1000. So here also same procedure we have to follow. In number line given one number only 2704 and you have to complete number line. Okay, so we will see how. So here added 2704 by adding 1000 we got some 3704. In 3704 add 1000 we got some 4704. In 4704 add 1000 we got some 5704. In 5704 add 1000 we got some 6704. In 6704 add 1000 we got 7704. In 7704 we add 1000 we got 8704. In 8704 we add 1000 we got 9704. In this way, after adding 1000 in each number, we got the sum, we write and complete the number line. But after this observation, what is your conclusion? That we will see. Now we will check digit at ones place. Each number's digit at ones place first we will check. See here, ones place digit of each number. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Means digit at ones place did not change. Now tens place digit. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Means digit at tens place it is also did not change. Now 100 place digit will change. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Means digit at 100 place also did not change. Now digit at 1000 place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means here 1000 place. Digit at 1000 place. It is only increases by 1 every time. Means what is your last conclusion? When we added 1000 to the number, the value of digit at 1000 place increases by 1. When we added 1000 to the number, the value of digit at 1000 place increases by 1. That is our conclusion. In adding 10, what is your conclusion? When we added 10 to the number, the digit at 1000 place increases by 1. When we added 100, what is your conclusion? When we added 100 to the number, the value of digit at 100 place increases by 1. And last, when we added 1000 to the number, the value of digit at 1000 place increases by 1. By using that rules, you have to complete the number line which is given in exercise 3. First question, complete the number line by adding 10. Second question, complete the number line by adding 100. And third question, complete the number line adding 1000. In the same way, one example of each type I have shown on the board. In the same way, you have to solve in exercise 3 and complete as a homework. Understood everyone? Now I will show you how to solve word problems which is given in exercise 4. So let's see first word problem which is given in exercise 4. Look here. What they ask in first word problem, you read carefully. A postman delivered 2537 letters in month of March and 3275 letters in month of April. So how many letters were delivered in total in 2 months? What they ask? How many letters were delivered in total in 2 months? We have to find out total letters delivered in 2 months. You read once again that word problem carefully. So in solution, first you have to draw columns. What? First you have to draw columns. So if you observe two numbers given in 4 digits. So I draw here 4 columns. Okay? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. And in that each places I arrange given number. Okay? So first, after reading word problem, what thing came to know? So first, a postman delivered letters in month of March. How many? 2537. So letters delivered in March, you have to write in front of it. You have to write in column 2537. I told you, you have to write from ones place. So 7, 3, 5, 2. Again, what is given? A postman delivered letters in month of April. How many? 3275. So both letter delivered in March 2531. I write in front of it. And letters delivered in April 3275. So in your book everything is given. Now here only you have to add. And you have to find out total letters delivered. we got 11 tens. 1 write in the tens place and carry over 1 to the 100 place. Then add hundreds. 100, 500s and 200s add. So after adding we got 800s. So it will be right in 100 place 8. And remaining then add thousands. 5,000, 2,000s plus 3,000s. 2 plus 3, 5,000. In this way you have to add. So what is your answer? The postman deliveries 5,812 letters in the 2 months. So you have to find out on this sum, and wherever blank is given, there you have to write its answer. So your answer is the postman delivered 5,812 letters in the 2 months. In this way you have to solve exercise 4. First example I have shown. Next example we will see. Second example, look here carefully what they ask. School A has 3,650 students and school B has 4,765 students. Read carefully. Given example. School A has 3,650 students and school B has 4,765 students. So how many total students are there in all? What they ask? How many total students are there in all? Here also first I told. What you have to do? You have to arrange given numbers in column. So I made here columns. Now we will write here given numbers column wise according to their places. So whatever given, that we have to write first. So what given in that example? A school A has students in school A. How many? 3,650. And students in school B. 4,765. First we arrange given number in column according to their places. So I told you have to write given number from one's place and we have to go left. Okay, so I arrange here. In the same way you have to arrange. Now we have to find out total number of students in school. Total number of students. So first we will add ones. 0 has no one. So 5 ones plus 0, your answer is 5. So 5 write in ones place. Now we add tens. 5 tens plus 6 tens. 5 plus 6, 11 tens. So 11 tens, 1 write in the tens place and carry over 1 to the 100 place. Then add hundreds. 600 plus 100 plus 7 hundreds. 6 plus 1 plus 7, 40 hundreds. How many? 40 hundreds. From that 4 write in 100 place and carry over 1 to the 1000 place. Now add thousands. 1000 plus 3000 plus 4000. Adding that 3 plus 1 plus 4, 8000. That 8 write in 1000 place. In this way we add here given numbers and we got some 8450. So what is your answer? There are 8415 students in all. What is your answer? There are 8415 students in all. Okay. So I have shown here 2 examples how to solve. Now in exercise 4, 1 example only remain that you have to solve yourself. Then also if you have any query you can call me or send message. Okay. Understood that two example. You have to do practice of it. Okay.